Okay, this is a 1997 Nissan 200 SCR. Very fast little car. Okay, this is my brother's car. I'm doing mechanic work on it. Okay, inner tie rod. I'm going to show you how to change it. First thing you're going to do, you're going to turn your wheels all the way to there. You see it? Okay. And I'm going to show you why. Okay, this is the special tool to put the new one because it has the original one from factory. The special tool has where to grab it. You see? When you put the special tool in there like that, it will grab it with whatever adjustment you put on it, and then you can tighten it up. You see? It has everything. But now the big question is, Michael, how do I get the old one out from factory that doesn't have... Let's see if I can just rip this open. That doesn't have to grab on. You see? You can grab it on with the special tool and put the new one back on. But how do you take the old one out? All right, that's very simple. You came to the right place, my brothers and sisters. Okay, I'm getting in the bottom of the car. Give me a break. Okay, so you see the reason why I told you that I turned the wheel all the way to the right, the steering wheel all the way to the right, is because this is your inner tie rod. You want it to go all the way in. Now you see, it's all the way smooth. I already got this one loose. You see, it's smooth. There's nothing to grab onto. And the only way to change it is from this angle. Look, there's the muffler too. You see? This is the, okay, I'm going to show you. Here we go. Let's get down dirty. Bam, 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 bam. Got this right here. Now watch this. You're going to grab it like this. Like this. Okay, it's hard to do this with a cell phone. You're going to grab it. You're going to grab. Boom. You see? I grabbed it. Then you can take a little slash hammer like this. This is the best thing. Better than a hammer. It's stronger. And then you're going to tap it like that. You're going to go bang, boom, and there. She's loose. She comes loose. Don't worry. She will come loose. And then you just boom. And you just... This is the easiest way. You ain't gonna find no other way than this than taking your whole power steering rack off and replacing it. It's just the way the Nissan. I'm sorry about all the wiggling. Just, you see it? And just, yeah, she's loose, look. And she's just loose, and you just keep turning her and turning her and turning her. Okay? Remember, she turns just like a screw, normal. Okay? This way you tighten, okay, this way you tighten it up, and this way you loosen it. Like a regular nut. Okay, and you just, let me show you guys. I'm trying to look at the thing, and then, boom. She just keeps coming out. And you just keep turning and turning and turning. And trust me, this is the only way to get her out. Oh, this is so hard to do with one hand. But yeah. Done. And then, boom. You see? She's moving. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys got a good eye, but she's moving. Look. You see? She's moving. She's coming loose. She's loose already. And yeah, that's how you do it. You just keep turning and turning, and you put it. And then you put the new one. So when you put in the new one, I want you, after you put the new one, you tighten it with your hand. You go ahead and you can put the steering wheel, turn the steering wheel, and put the steering wheel straight. Okay? Now your wheels are straight. And now with that tool right there, you will get, and you just tighten it up. You tighten it up. Remember, don't go too crazy. Okay? A nice tight click. If you have, I don't know the torque pounds for it, but you can look that up. And that's it, my friends. You just 1, 2, 3 is that simple. And that's how you change a inner tie rod on a 1997 Nissan 200 SER. Yeah, something like that. SER. This is the fast one. This is the very fast one. This thing flies. Trust me. It flies. When we take it to the track, this baby runs. All right, well, this is Michael, and thank you for watching. And happy Sundays, everybody. And let me finish getting this job done. All right, thank you for watching. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And remember, check all my other videos about the law of attraction and how to get rich with stocks. I'm always giving stocks that make people a lot of money. Okay? And RBIZ, BDCIC like cat, and BRKK. Look into the stocks. And by the end of 2019, depending how much you invest, you will be a millionaire. All right, this is Michael. Thank you for watching.